If you're switching these settings and you're just getting battery exhausted for no reason and you know you've powered it on, you know you have battery, sorry, you got a bad unit. You should return it. And this one should work. Hopefully, this isn't the day it dies on me. Anyways, right now it's in video mode. I'm going to switch to photography and then it should work. And then I switch to video and then I go over here and then it's doing some other thing. But regardless, when I'm moving this dial, it should not be going into battery exhausted. I want to save you some time and let you know that even if you go into the settings and you increase the temperature, that it will automatically shut off. You're not having an overheating problem. Based on some of the comments that I'm seeing on a certain short that I posted a year ago, it looks like it's kind of a software issue that certain batches are just getting. So my idea behind returning a new one and going with a refurbished is that Amazon does have to you know, test it. So I figured I'm gonna get lucky and hopefully it works the way it should. I never changed any setting on it. I had to send that unit back and get a new one. You're not gonna find a lot of YouTube videos that are even talking about this, let alone giving you a solution. So if you had this issue, please comment down below. I did have some people that said removing the battery and putting it back in solved it. I did all of that when I had the issue. I just did connect it to the wall for power and it was still having that issue. So one more time, basically you would turn on the camera, right? And this is again, if this could be an issue with new ones, I would say it's probably not having with refurbished, but you switch a setting and it would go to battery exhausted. So again, it shouldn't be doing that. Out of the box, it should not be doing that. There's no setting you're gonna find that's gonna fix that issue. If you're a subscriber of mine and for some reason you're watching this, I'll be live soon. I got sick, but I love you all. Thank you for watching. I hopefully I saved somebody some time, but stay safe, please.